Okay, replace ZB Commodore key fob. Press the little button, here we are, on the side, and pull out this bit. Place the key in here and turn it with gentle pressure. Should open it up. Ah yes, here we go. So just right at the top, right at the top, not further down. Open it up and it's getting it slightly open. Just a little bit more leverage. There we go. Okay, inside we've got the little CR2032 batteries. There they are. We're just going to pop that out. Okay, grab a new one out. Pop it in with the plus side down. And pop it back in together. This bit back in. And it's done.